Hello, everybody.
Hi, everybody. I'm Rhonda.
And I'm Tony.
And we are from the Rhonda Gustedes team at Keller Williams Realty, here to give you the weekend events. We do this every week, and we want you to stay tuned because there's so many fun things to do every weekend.
Are you ready to get your butt out of the house and doing some fun things? Next week is the 4th of July, so we're going to give you a firework update too. So
Nice.
the first thing we're starting off is Friday is a Reptile Encounter. So the big cat habitat at Lakewood Ranch, they're going to have a close encounter for all the reptiles and their unique behaviors, habits, their adaptations, and their experience with animal handlers will be on hand. Their presentation is a lot of fun, education, and perfect for curious minds of all ages. So always having fun to play with the little critters.
Yep, and that's at 11:30 on Friday.
You got it.
Okay, then we've got bench squat deadlift competition. Boy, is that going to be fun to watch. At Freedom Wellness at Fitness Club in Englewood at 6 p.m. So for all you people that like to do those squats and bench lifts, this is for you. In Englewood, 6 p.m. Enter to win prizes in every category from swag bags to free memberships. Bring your friends and join the fun. Oh.
I heard of house squatters, but not squat for weights, you know. Get those gluteus maximus muscles built up. And after they're built up in fine shape, you head over to live music at the Tiki bar at Punta Gorda.
Always depend on them.
On Friday, they have Tropical Avenue. Saturday night, they got 22N.
North.
And Sunday, Tropical Harmony. A lot of tropics this weekend.
Oh yeah, love TTs. You can always count on them for a fun weekend. Yep.
Love it.
Okay, now Saturday we have the Great Wellen Pie Bake Off at downtown Wellen Park at 10:30 a.m. Convinced your baking takes the cake? Sign up for the Great Wellen Bake Off of 2025 Pie Bake and show off your dessert making skills. Oh boy. All ages can participate, from key lime to pecan to French silk and more. They can't wait to see you and taste your sweet culinary creations.
I want that chocolate silk pie. That's my favorite.
Oh my gosh, that sounds great. I can taste the pie now.
And we got cars on first in downtown Fort Myers, going south a little bit, 10 to 7. So start your engines in Fort Myers, the ultimate car show, taking over First Street. And join them for live performance with a DJ, food, raffles, awards, fun boxing exhibit, and classics to erotics. And they're shutting down the street from end to end. So get down there and enjoy the fun.
Oh yeah. Then we've got Mega Adoption Weekend at the Humane Society at Sarasota County all weekend. I saw that on the news today. For 3 days only, no adoption fees. Isn't that great?
Get your free puppy or cat.
While all adoption fees are waived, other fees may apply. Every dog must go home wearing a leash and collar, and every cat must go home in a carrier. Bring your own, or they have plenty of affordable options in the retail store. No appointment needed to adopt, so this is the best time to go get your little pet that you've been waiting for. 3 days.
They said they want to beat last year's record.
Sarasota
they want to have
County.
over 100 adoptions. So.
Yeah, they said they euthanized like hundreds of animals, and I know everybody's looking for a nice pet.
For Sunday, we have Begin with Your Yoga Journey, a 6-week introduction to the yoga series at Yoga Sanctuary in Punta Gorda. This series will teach you how to approach different postures, order to maximize your effectiveness, minimize your risk of injury, introduce you to some of the basic principles of yoga. Boy, do I need to stretch some. So I should get my butt over there too, you know. Explore ways that, you know, the pose specific issues in practice and unique body. So it's good for everybody, regardless of any age, flexibility. Got to keep that body moving. If you don't use it, you're going to lose it.
That's true. Yoga's good for everybody. That's great. Okay, we have Sunday Market in Artisan Village at Punta Gorda History Park from 9 to 1. You will discover local artists selling their creations as well as resident artists in the History Park Artisan Village. In addition to their artisans, the Sunday Market vendors include local providers of farm fresh produce and eggs, locally hived honey, home-baked artisan bread, goat cheese, and other goodies. So that's the Sunday Market at Artisan Village at Punta Gorda. Sounds like a great time.
Some local honey, huh?
Get some goat
That
cheese.
sounds better than goat cheese to me.
Ooh, I like goat cheese.
And they have the summer movie nights. They're gonna have Wild Robot at CoolToday Park in Venice, and that's at 5 o'clock. Backed by popular demand, the summer movies is a great experience for the summer. And if you
Kids
want to
love
just have fun and affordable, and it's presented by Sharky's on the pier, so
And Fins
and Snookhaven. They have all three of the restaurants now, so
that's terrific.
they always a good place. Snookhaven always thought that was old Florida cracker, but that's nice to be right on the Mayaca River. So.
Oh yeah. All right.
So Rhonda we're going to go over some of the 4th of July firework locations.
Oh, they're
everybody. We want to let you know so you have time to plan. So
they're everywhere. So pay attention.
what's the first one on the bulletin
Okay,
there?
the first one we have for fireworks for the 4th of July is Punta Gorda. We've got Fisherman's Village at 9 a.m. We have Lashley Park at 9 p.m. Oh, excuse me, meant to say 9 p.m.
Yeah, you got to wait till it's dark a little bit, you know.
And TT's Tiki Bar at 7 p.m. So you could see them at TT's first, and then Lashley and Fisherman will be together. So you'll have fireworks on both sides.
So that's 3 different shows, 2 at the same time. So
Yeah.
good thing you got 2 eyes. One can look at this one, and one can look at that one. And we also got Englewood. They're going to have it at Pioneer Park. That's also going to be at 9 o'clock. I think the sun sets, the days are getting shorter. I think it was 8:35 made it the longest day of the year last week. So.
Yep. Okay, and then in Northport, we've got CoolToday Park over there by Wellen Park at 9 p.m. And we went to that last year. That was fun. Had a great time.
Well, you got good seats because you're at the stadium, so you got a great comfortable chair.
Absolutely.
You know?
Yep.
Also, Venice Beach, the fishing pier at 9 o'clock. They're going to be having it this year.
Oh, very nice. Yep.
Used to have it at the jetties, but there are none. There's partial jetties. They're in the process of fixing that up. I think it's a $90 million project. It's crazy how expensive it is to make a jetty.
Yep, absolutely. And then we've got Sarasota at Bayfront Park at 9 p.m.
And if you're going down at the southern part, Fort Myers, we're having a Fort Myers Beach at 9. So
yep.
They're all going to be out there. They're all on the same day, you know. So
absolutely. I did see on the news that they're having the largest Pride Week parade in St. Pete also. So if you're interested in going to that, I think that's Saturday.
I think there'll only be about 500,000 people there.
500,000 people out to support Pride Week. So, yep. So there are a lot of great
Even Mosey,
things.
there's a lot going on in Mosey this weekend too. They have a laser show out there. So
that's right.
Depends which way you're heading. You know, there's a lot to do. So
there really is. Yeah. So
stay local, have a blast,
have fun,
and enjoy yourself. Get out there and have a little fun.
Yep. So much to choose from.
All right, everybody have a good day now.
Remember, real
state's a dream
with the Ronnie
Gasteitis
team. Take care, everybody.
Bye now.
Bye-bye.